Hey everyone, it's Justin, and in this video, you're going to be learning some tips for picking out relevant information from other information that may be unnecessary. The world is full of information you may not need. Signs for restaurants you aren't in the mood for, ads on the internet that you pretend you don't see, the copyright information on the first page of every book that you flip past. Even math problems can have extra information. So for instance, this problem here, this table gives us a lot of information about these two schools, but what information actually matters depends on what we want to know. So let's read the problem. Sarah wants to attend a university with small class sizes. What ratio could she use to compare these two universities? So Sarah is only interested in class size. The first thing we could do here is define class size. Class size just means how many students are in a single class, usually taught by a single teacher. So we could write this ratio as the number of students divided by how many teachers there are. So in this case, the answer is fairly obvious. Choice B gives a ratio of students to teachers. So let's look at a different sort of problem. Jeremiah is a journalist with job offers from competing blogs. He wants to write thought-provoking pieces that get people talking. Which job offer best fits Jeremiah? So this time we aren't just picking out which ratio to use. We actually need to use the information to decide which job offer Jeremiah should choose. Jeremiah wants to get people talking. So which category in the table best represents that? Well, if people are making lots of comments, the discussions must be good. So clearly the answer is blog B since they have more comments, right? Well, hold on. It looks like blog B has a lot more posts than blog A. So what if the only reason they have more comments is because the comments are spread out over more posts? Jeremiah probably wants to write a blog where every post gets a ton of comments, not one where each post only gets a few. What we need to know is the number of comments per post. Blog A has 50,000 comments spread over 500 posts, so each post gets 100 comments. Blog B has 60,000 comments and 2,000 posts, so it brings in only 30 comments per post. Jeremiah should definitely choose blog A. Blog B barely drums up any conversation at all. It's important to be able to pick out information because the world around us is filled with information that may be important to somebody at some time, but not to us at the moment. In the next lesson, we'll look at how important units are in word problems, some of which may have extra information.